Hey bakers, today we're going to be making mini cheesecakes. And as you can see, I already made one earlier. There you go. See? And here are my ingredients are 6 ounces of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of lemon, 1 1/2 teaspoon of flour, 1/2 sugar, 2 eggs, butter, and 10 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. And we're gonna need also graham crackers, a pack and a half. And then you're gonna need a blender, a food processor, and an ice cream scoop, and 2 bowls. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna blend this, so let's get started. So you have to make sure you check it to make sure that everything is, see, we still have a little bit here left, so you don't want that. Okay. Or you can pulse it, or if you don't have a food processor, you can use a baggie and smash them with a roller. Okay, so now we are going to pour it in one of our glass bowls. Make sure this is what you want, see? So now we are gonna melt our butter because we are gonna put it inside our cookie crumb. And you can use graham crackers for this or biscuits for this. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 15 seconds. So now you're gonna pour this inside your cookie crumb. Make sure it's all melted. And we're going to stir it. And stir it, and then you want to make sure your hands are clean because you're going to put your hands inside it right now. So and you want to make sure that it's like becomes like this, or you can make like a little ball. See? That means it's ready. Okay, so now, okay guys, so now we're gonna grab an ice cream scooper like this, and you are gonna mix this, of course, and you're gonna grab maybe like half a scoop, and you're gonna put it inside your muffin pans, and this makes about 12 muffin cups. With a cup, or if you have maybe like a small 1/3 little cup, you know, you go like this, you smash them down, fixing them very nice, you know, and you fix them. We're gonna just pressing down, pressing down. Down, and you're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 15 minutes while you start making your cream cheese and all your cream cheese and your other ingredients. So then this is what I do. I keep on pressing down with my finger, trying to make them nice, you know, on the sides. So you can do it however you want, but just pressing down on the sides and making sure that it's, you know, it's sticking. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes while you're making your cheesecake. Now I'm going to add the cream cheese. And I'm going to mix it in low speed. And then gradually I'm going to add my sugar, slowly, a little at a time. It has to be a little at a time. You cannot have the whole thing. Because you want to make sure that the sugar mixes very well. You can also use a hand mixer if you don't have a mixer like this. The hand mixer is fine. So now we're going to add the eggs one at a time. Making sure that it dissolves also. You can put the speed a little higher. So now we're going to add the lemon. And we're going to add the flour, little at a time. And now we're going to add the sour cream, little at a time. Everything is little at a time. Making sure that everything is mixing. What I do is I mix it towards the end, just to make sure that everything is well mixed in there. So now I'm going to fill my cups up with the cream cheese. Remember an ice cream scooper. Just fill it up, as you know. And they're going to go in the oven for 15 minutes at 300 degrees. And then you're going to put them in the refrigerator. They have to cool down, and then they have to go in the refrigerator overnight. Or you can 5 hours. So just grab a little spatula, if you have a little spatula, and just, you know, fill it up like this, clean it, make them look pretty. Okay, and then they're gonna go in the oven for 15 minutes, 300 degrees. And you can either have them 5 hours or you can leave it overnight for the next day. Okay guys, so I took them out of the oven and this is how they came out. I let them in the refrigerator for about 5 hours and look at that, they came out really cute. So now I'm gonna decorate them so you can get an idea of what, you know, if you're gonna have like a dessert table or some kind of event, you know, all you have to do is just grab, if you have frosting, any kind of frosting, if you want to put strawberries on top. That's what I'm doing right now, see. Hey guys, so this is the outcome of my mini cheesecakes, and you know, this is good like for if you're having a party, a gathering, a shower, baby shower, bridal shower, any event. This is like for your table, your dessert table. And so hey guys, so I hope you guys liked it, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe.